Hello, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair. And I just want to do a short video on a subject that a lot of people ask questions about. And that subject is personal identifiers. So you may say, well, what are personal identifiers? Personal identifiers are a variation of names, multiple addresses, multiple employers, phone numbers, roommates, or spouses. I'm just going to touch a little bit on each one of them. Variation of names. You can have multiple names on your credit report that can hinder you from getting credit, such as a female may have a first, middle, last name, and a married name, or another married name, and she may go by all of them at one point during her credit history. And all that information and all those names are reported to the credit bureaus. Multiple addresses. Whenever you fill out a credit application and you have a different address at this location, you move somewhere else, you fill out something at this address. So there are multiple addresses. And like for me, I was in the military, so I moved around a lot. And so I had multiple addresses. Some people have multiple employers, multiple phone numbers, and roommates. So when a creditor looks at you, they looking at your whole entire picture. So that includes those extra names and stuff, multiple addresses, multiple employers, phone numbers, and roommates. So why is it important to remove those items? Because you may be trying to apply for a mortgage or a car loan or a general loan, credit cards, or even employment. And once these creditors get your credit report, they're going to see all these multiple names on there. They're going to see that you live at 10, 15, 20 addresses. They're going to see that you have multiple phone numbers on there. You got like 10 cell numbers or 15, 20 home phone numbers or what have you on there. And it doesn't look good when you have that information reporting to your credit. So how does this information look to an underwriter? Well, they may say, well, you have all these variation names. Who are you really? So then they look at your addresses. You lived at so many places, and it's like a pattern that you're not stable anywhere for whatever reason. You move around a lot. Your employment, if you got all these employers on there, then it looks like you can't hold a job, you can't keep a job down, and you got all these different phone numbers on there. Why you keep changing numbers? Why do you have all these different phone numbers? And then when you get down to roommates and spouses, you have multiple spouses or multiple roommates, and all that stuff doesn't look good on there. And so the lenders can't trust you, and they feel that they'll have to chase you for your payment. So what we try to do here at Better Day, we just get you down to one name, first name and last name, one address, no employers, no phone numbers, no roommates or spouses. And what happens, y'all? Even if we go in and get that fixed, when you fill out these applications again, then you put that stuff right back on there. What we get out, you put it right back on there. So just kind of be mindful that the personal identifier plays a really heavy role in your credit. So I just want to bring that to you guys' attention. So I just want to recap. We talked about personal identifiers and why do we remove these personal identifiers and how does look into the eyes of an underwriter. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk again soon. Again, this is Mary Taylor with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair. If you want your credit fixed, put Mary Taylor in the mix. You guys have a great day. You can visit us on Facebook in our group. You can visit us at our page, Better Day Consulting, and you can also visit our website at www.betterdayconsulting.com. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.